Have you ever wondered why some women wake up with such radiant skin even after 40? They're not using expensive creams or having cosmetic procedures every week. In fact, the secret may lie in something simple. They eat at night, which helps the body regenerate naturally while they sleep. If you're over 40, you know that skin aging accelerates, collagen diminishes, and sleep, which should be restorative, often isn't. But what if I told you you can't get enough sleep? But what if I told you that including just one natural food in your nightly routine could transform your skin from the inside out? Today, I'm going to show you what to eat at night to activate the cellular rejuvenation process. Sleep better and wake up with firmer, hydrated skin and that natural glow of someone who is really looking after their health. Stay with me until the end, because you're about to discover a fruit that can make a big difference. Not just to your appearance, but to your health as a whole. And before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel so that you can continue receiving content on health and longevity. Now, let's get started. Why nighttime eating influences skin health and longevity. Few people know, but during sleep, the body enters one of its most powerful moments of cell regeneration. It is during this period that the body repairs the damage it has suffered during the day, including to the skin, which is the body's largest organ. The good news is that nighttime nutrition plays a key role in this process. When you eat the right foods before bed, you give your body the nutrients it needs to stimulate collagen production, reduce inflammation, and fight free radicals, which are largely responsible for premature aging. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, nightly consumption of foods rich in antioxidants, amino acids, and essential fatty acids can significantly improve skin firmness, hydration, and even reduce wrinkles in women aged 40 and over. What's more, scientists at the University of Manchester have discovered that skin cell renewal peaks during deep sleep, and that the presence of key nutrients in the blood during this period naturally and continuously enhances this effect. In other words, it's not a question of eating anything before bed, but of using nutrition as a real internal beauty treatment. Asterisk. And that's what we're going to explore now. The right foods at the right time for real results. The key food to activate skin regeneration at night. One of the most powerful and underrated foods when it comes to nighttime skin rejuvenation is kiwi fruit. That's right, small, affordable, and often overlooked. Kiwi fruit is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and also contains natural serotonin, which helps with sleep quality. But why is it so special for those over 40? The vitamin C in kiwi fruit is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that keeps the skin firm, elastic, and moist. And from the age of 40, natural collagen production begins to fall by around 1% each year. What's more, a study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that eating kiwi fruit before bed significantly improved the quality of sleep in adults, especially the time it took them to fall asleep and the depth of their sleep. And as we've seen, deep regenerative sleep is what activates the skin's cell renewal mechanisms. In other words, by eating a kiwi about an hour before bed, you're giving your body a boost: antioxidants to fight aging, vitamin C to rebuild lost collagen, fibers that balance the intestines, linked to skin health, and natural stimulus to deep sleep. This is the kind of functional food that works from the inside out, like a natural night treatment for the skin. Kiwi, a nighttime superfood for skin and longevity. Many nutritionists and researchers consider kiwi fruit to be a real functional superfood, especially for women aged 40 and over. And this is no coincidence. As well as being extremely rich in vitamin C, it also contains vitamin E, which acts as a fat-soluble antioxidant, protecting the skin's cell membranes against oxidative stress. Vitamin K, essential for microcirculation and the prevention of dark circles and puffiness. Soluble fiber, which improves intestinal health, directly linked to skin condition and immunity. Actinidin, a natural enzyme that aids in the digestion and absorption of proteins, which enhances the use of collagen present in the diet. What's more, kiwi fruit has a low glycemic index, which means that it doesn't suddenly raise blood sugar, preventing silent inflammation that compromises skin quality and accelerates aging. Studies also show that regular consumption of kiwi fruit is associated with an improvement in the body's antioxidant profile, a balance in blood pressure, and even a reduction in inflammatory markers. All factors that have a direct impact on healthy longevity. In other words, this small green fruit may seem simple, but it carries a powerful nutritional load that acts while you sleep, improving your sleep, fighting cellular aging, and visibly rejuvenating your skin over time. Including kiwi fruit in your nightly routine is not just an aesthetic choice, it's a decision of deep self-care and commitment to your long-term well-being. Other nighttime combinations that enhance the rejuvenating effect. In addition to kiwi fruit, there are intelligent combinations of foods that can act during the night, offering fundamental nutrients for skin health and hormonal balance, something that makes a big difference after the age of 40.1. Chamomile tea with cinnamon. Chamomile tea is known for its natural calming and anxiolytic properties. What few people know is that it contains antioxidants called apogenins, which act to reduce inflammatory processes that accelerate skin aging. When combined with a pinch of cinnamon, you get an even more interesting effect. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels during the night. This is essential because spikes in blood sugar are linked to glycation, a process that hardens collagen fibers and makes the skin look flabby and dull. Drinking a cup of this tea about 30 minutes before bed helps to calm the nervous system, reduce inflammation, prevent collagen destruction. 2. A small portion of walnuts or almonds. Oilseeds are natural sources of essential fatty acids, such as omega-3, which has an anti-inflammatory action and helps to keep the skin hydrated from the inside out. In addition, walnuts and almonds provide tryptophan, an amino acid that is a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, hormones that improve the quality of deep sleep, which is so important for regenerating the skin. Consuming a small portion, around 4 to 6 units with kiwi fruit or tea, creates a favorable internal environment for cell repair, regeneration of skin tissue, reduction of nocturnal production of cortisol, which is the hormone of stress, and premature aging. 3. Warm water with lemon. For those who don't want to consume anything solid, an alternative is to drink warm water with lemon before going to bed. As well as being rich in vitamin C, this helps to improve digestion and alkalize the body, creating more balanced conditions for skin renewal during the night. Looking after your skin after 40 goes far beyond expensive creams or cosmetic procedures. The real transformation begins on the inside, with conscious, consistent, and natural choices, such as what you decide to eat before bed. In this video, you saw how simple foods, such as kiwi fruit, natural teas, and small portions of oilseeds, can become your body's true allies during the night, acting while you rest, promoting cell regeneration, improving sleep, and helping to restore your skin's vitality. And this kind of care has everything to do with longevity. As we get older, our bodies need more support, and delivering the right nutrients at the right time is one of the smartest ways to age well, with health and natural beauty. If you've come this far, it's because you value your health and want real, lasting results, but without giving up practicality. That's why, if you want to go one step further, with a complete, tasty, and 100% natural protocol, I'll leave you with a link to a nutritional program based on functional smoothies, created especially to help women over 40 regain their well-being, digestive balance, and self-esteem. It's an alternative that can fit perfectly into your routine. And the best part, it comes with a full 60-day guarantee. In other words, it's a safe and risk-free choice. Take care of yourself, respect your rhythm, and remember, aging is inevitable. But the way you age depends largely on your daily choices. If you liked the content of this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving videos on health and longevity after 40. See you in the next video.